1992 Ford F-150 XLT extended cab long box. Here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This is one of those trucks we get in, it's just kind of like a time capsule. So listen to this, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile truck, 40,834 is all on this one at the moment. 5.8 liter V8 power underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC. Take a look at the chrome as far as the bumper, grill. Extremely nice shape. I noticed one little tiny, and this is being awful fussy, little rock chip right there. Otherwise, if I notice anything else, I'll point it out as we walk around this. And you can sure take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll see this truck pictured from every angle, underside, interior, engine bay. You can also click on the link down below the video in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. Number to call, 507-386-1726. This chrome wheel's extremely nice shape, and those are the correct factory chrome wheels. Cooper Cobra radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. And again, you can see free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Has had the running boards added, which has helped because you have the rock guards in those. So you're not kicking up a bunch of stones or pebbles, chipping that paint. And it was obviously a southern truck. This truck has not spent time in the Midwest out in the winters. You can tell by looking at the cab corners, the picks from the underside, the lower rockers. Nice color combination on this too. It's considered medium mocha and mocha frost. DD and DC paint codes. Interior, and the beige bench seat. Stock looking dash. Dash is in great shape. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a little closer look at the interior. Of course, you would have the second row seating in this one also, and that seat will fold. If you wanted more storage area, sliding rear window, and look at that headliner like new. Of course, the visor has been added. Should be a Lund visor. Yep. Marker lights up top. Soft tonneau cover, and I did roll this back a little bit and left it that way so you can see this, the lack of use in this box. It has a rubber bed mat that's been added, but the box is not all beat up on this, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures also. No surprises on this one. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper, also in nice shape. And it checked out very well in our service department when it was inspected. Brakes are 60% in the front, 80% in the rear. One little note, muffler does have a rotted spot on it, so it may well be the original muffler. It does have a little rotted spot. And again, we will start it up so you can hear it run. And all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Ford trucks, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And as you can see up and down this driver's side, also really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Let's take a closer look at this interior. What you'd expect on a truck with a little over 40,000 miles is all. So door panel looks good. Really no wear on the armrest. Power windows. Power locks. Bench seat. No rips, tears, or holes really showing much wear at all. Tilt column cruise control. Another peek at that headliner. There is your exact miles, 40,834.9, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed actual miles, 5.8 liter underneath the hood, dash looks like brand new. stereo working, as it should. As you can see, dual tank setup. Sounds as you would expect. Nothing crazy as far as exhaust. Does have some nice rock guards, rock mud flaps, rock guards, so you want to look at it. Not going to be banging up a trailer or a boat or whatever you'd be pulling. There, it warmed up, came off the high idle if you wanted to hear it, I guess, on the low idle also. Doesn't sound bad, and it does have a little rotted spot in the muffler. All right. I'm going to pause this a second. Man, that paint's got a nice shine to it, too. Let me pause this a second. We'll get the hood open, check out that engine bay, and then stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive. Underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy, and here it is. How clean that engine bay is. Like I said, some of these trucks we get in with low miles are about like a time capsule. '92 Ford F-150 XLT extended cab long box. Clean Carfax, actual miles, ready for the road. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also in this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1992 Ford F-150. This would be an extended cab with a full-size bed, nice tonneau cover on it. Looking very low mile to me, with kind of beige on the inside and the outside of the truck. Turn signal working quietly as it should. Stereo works. The blower motor's blowing air as it should. The fuel gauge reads about a little less than an eighth of a tank currently. Battery's charging above halfway on the gauge. The oil pressure is a little less than halfway on the gauge as we're cruising on the road at 55 miles an hour. Tachometer 1500 RPM. The temperature gauge about a third of the way up from cold. Nice looking headliner, seat, door panels. Really amazing condition interior. Of course, we've got that folding back seat in the Super Cab area. Ford always called it Super Cab. I believe Dodge was Club Cab and GM was Extended Cab back in the day. Brakes nice and smooth. Automatic transmission shifted on the column, shifting very well. You want firm shift, but you want them smooth as well. And it's got that. Corners the way a truck should from 1992. Just a great driving truck. So it says roughly 41,000 miles on it. That is so low. But this truck from 1992 is kind of just broken in. If you missed your chance and you were looking for one low mile, here's your chance. Check out all the pictures of this 92 Ford F-150 at UniqueClassicCars.com.